In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation on Visme. First, we're going to find the right starting point. In Visme's workspace, go to the template area and use the search bar to look for presentation. This quickly pulls up a full gallery of presentation-ready designs, so you don't have to start from a blank canvas. If you already have a theme in mind, try adding a keyword like business, education, or marketing to narrow the results. As you browse, think about your audience and where you'll present. A clean, minimal style works well for formal settings, while more colorful templates are great for creative or educational content. Once you see a design that matches your goals, select the template you want. This loads a preset sequence of slides with coordinated colors, fonts, and layouts. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. A good template is a head start, not a final product. Choose a color theme that fits your brand or topic so every slide looks cohesive. If you plan to present on a widescreen display, make sure the aspect ratio suits your setup. Now it's time to personalize. Click into any text box to replace the placeholder text with your own headings, key points, and captions. Keep sentences clear and concise, and use consistent heading sizes to maintain hierarchy. If a slide feels crowded, split the content across 2 slides for better pacing. To update images, select a picture and use the Replace option to swap it out. You can upload your own photos or pick from the built-in library. Align elements with guides to keep everything tidy, and group related items so you can move them as a unit. If you need a different structure, explore the template's alternate layouts, duplicate slides you like, or remove ones you don't need. To make your information more engaging, open the Assets panel. For data, choose Charts and select the style that matches your story, like bar, line, or pie. Enter your numbers and customize colors and labels so the chart is easy to read at a glance. For visual cues, search icons, then drag and drop symbols that reinforce your message. Adjust size and color to match your theme and keep icons consistent across slides. To add motion, select an element and apply subtle animations from the panel. Use gentle entrances for text and stagger the timing so the audience follows your narrative in the right order. When you're done, preview the slides to see how everything flows and refine pacing or transitions as needed. And that's it. Your Visme presentation is ready to impress.